Good morning. One more look at those current temperatures because it's certainly frigid outside this morning. A lot of 20s on the board. Cleveland and Murphy continue to be our two coldest spots at 21 degrees. Altamont and Fort Payne at 30. Chattanooga in between at 27 right now. So grab the winter coat as you're heading out the door. As we take a peek at our current conditions, it's really pretty quiet outside. A lot of you still even have mostly clear skies, but we do have these light layer clouds that are kind of filtering in at this point. But notice further to the west, you kind of pick out the Mississippi River and westward. That's where we have denser clouds. Beyond that, rain, even some snow up to the north with this dual low pressure system coming in. As this tracks eastward, that's what's going to bring us the increase in clouds by this evening, but then also the rain for tonight. So looking at your future cast for this morning, I do think there's going to be a mix of sun and clouds. I know the clouds aren't showing up on there, but wind coming up from the southeast. That southeast breeze will be gusty at times around 20 miles per hour, and then clouds continue to increase heading into your Friday evening. But if you're heading out to maybe an early dinner, say 5, 6 o'clock, even at a 7 p.m. dinner, it's still dry. Rain enters our area about 9 p.m. So that'll be 8 p.m. Central Time for our western communities with that green. As this continues to push eastward during the nighttime hours, I want to point out a couple of things to you. First up, notice all of the green and yellow. For the great majority of the area, this is going to be regular rain, and it'll be a chilly rain, so it will be cool outside. For a few spots, the highest elevations to the east, you can see this pink color. That's going to be some wintry mix and even the potential of freezing rain. Now, there may be a little bit of that up on the Cumberland Plateau, but it's most likely to the east and again along those tallest mountain peaks. Other portions of Cherokee, Fannin, and Gilmer County, you're also going to get rain just because of those temperatures. All right, let me continue through the overnight hours. So this is Saturday morning at 6 a.m. We still have those batches of rain. Let's go closer to about 8:45, 9 a.m. That widespread rain wraps up and exits our eastern communities at that point. What we're left with for the rest of Saturday, you still have the clouds, that wind from the south, and just a couple of little spotty sprinkles here and there. That pattern will continue for Saturday night into Sunday morning, so still a little bit of those few raindrops here and there, but by Sunday midday into the afternoon, begin to get some breaks in the clouds. So a lot of your weekend will actually be dry. You're just going to have some clouds that are paired with that, particularly on Saturday. So total rainfall for Friday night into Saturday morning, on average about 1/4 of an inch to an inch will be possible. I mentioned that freezing rain, which means there is a low end chance we can get some ice accumulated, and that's what you're seeing with the pink on the map. Now I want to pull back a little bit further regionally. The bigger icing problem will be outside of our area for other portions of western North Carolina into Virginia, but it is enough that there's a winter weather advisory that's been issued for tonight until 8 a.m. tomorrow morning for Fannin and Gilmer counties with that freezing rain, total ice to 1/10 of an inch. That's lower end on the ice scale, but can still make for some difficult travel conditions up into the highest elevations. So just wanted to make sure that you're being advised for that. All right, so that's our weekend rain event. Let me take it to next week. So Monday daytime, kind of similar to today, will be quiet so you can enjoy your Monday daytime. Then here comes another batch of widespread rain. Monday night into Tuesday. This is certainly going to have periods of heavy rainfall with this system and some gusty wind around 30 to 40 miles per hour. Early on Friday morning as colder air wraps around, that's when we can get some of that mountain wintry mix and flurries, and then that all exits as the day on Wednesday progresses. Total rainfall then with both systems, about 2 to 3 inches is what we're looking at across our area. So for your 7-day forecast, I know there's kind of a lot of active periods, but first up, it's 9 p.m. till 9 a.m. tonight with the rain. Drier, but still clouds for Saturday, Sunday, decreasing clouds, then Monday night into Tuesday with the rain, and then Wednesday morning, some of those mountain flurries will be possible.
Oh, there it is again.
I know. I put it on. I even put the words
Did
on
you really?
there. Yeah, I put AM mountain flurries.
I'm telling you, we need to record the song. We're working on the lyrics. I forgot what they were though. Do you remember?
I don't know. I don't.
All right, I'll get to that.
We'll write it down.
To that
we'll write
at
it
some
down.
point.